Welcome back to another hair video. This is one of the last steps in the hair day routine, and this is the deep conditioning phase. Now, unlike in the other parts of this day, I'm not going to go through every single section, but I am going to go through a couple just to show you what I do, and I pretty much apply it to every section. I think that by the time you get to this video, you do get the gist of what I'm doing. So I start off with a little spritz to the hair before that wide tooth comb, and that's just some distilled water inside of that very fine mist sprayer that I have. Then I spray a little aloe hydration. I get through the strands with the wide tooth comb, and then I begin to apply the conditioner. Starting at the ends, working my way all the way up to the roots, and start combing through. Now, is it necessary to use a comb in this phase? No, it's not. You can finger detangle here. I like to go through with the combs just to help make sure that all of the dead hair is out. And remember, this is the continuation of the takedown of a 2-month-old protective style. And the steps are working. Look at there. Not a lot of hair there. I hope you can see that. As we continue, I'll show you again these steps. I do a spritz of water, the aloe hydration, going through with the wide tooth comb, and then I go through what I call the not so wide tooth comb. Now that may happen before or after the application of my deep conditioner. It just really depends. And again, you can finger detangle and apply everything and squeeze the product down. I just choose to go through with the combs to make sure that, again, the dead hair is out from that protective style it was in, and also that I get product through all of the strands. I want to make sure that every strand has deep conditioner on it. And then I'm going to put the section in a 2-strand twist, and I'm going to move on to the next section. I do that for all of the sections of my head. We want to spritz the hair with water again because water is our friend, okay? That's going to help us in the manipulation. The hair is going to dry. We don't want it to be completely dry. We don't want it dripping wet, but we do want to make it easier to get through the strands, to detangle, to get the dead hair out, to apply product. That's why you want to make sure that you spritz it with water again before you go to manipulating, okay? We don't want to break off any hair strands. So this is the last section. Afterwards, I will be putting the conditioning cap on to sit under the dryer for maybe 15 to 20 minutes to let the conditioner kind of melt into the hair. Again, here, extra love to those ends. I call that respecting the elders. Respect the elders because the ends of your hair is the oldest hair that you have when you get to that point. So we want to give a little extra love there. So again, we're going to finish this up. I'm going to get under the dryer, let the conditioner melt into the hair. I just want to point out that when I do the sections of hair for the conditioning phase, it is a 2-strand twist. It's not the French braid like before in the shampoo phase, because I want the hair to unravel easy when it's time to rinse the conditioner out. So I'm going to sit under the dryer 15-20 minutes. I'm really not sure which one I did this day. And this is a step that you certainly do not want to skip. The heat is going to help to raise the cuticles, allowing the goodness of that conditioner to get in. And when you go to rinse, you can rinse with cool water to help with sealing all that good stuff inside of the hair strand. So we're going to move through this relatively quickly because it's basically just rinsing the conditioner off of the hair. It's the same way that I rinse the shampoo out of the hair I'm going to go through section by section. I'm going to do a little bit of massaging to the scalp with the pads of my finger just to get the conditioner off of the scalp, any of it that has melted on the scalp. So you'll see me do that with each section as well, just to make sure that the scalp is clear. And for those of you that stay in a natural hairstyle, you don't have to rinse all of your conditioner out. But if you're going to do a soft blow dry, or if you're going to do a different type of style in the end, it would be beneficial to rinse all of the conditioner out. So I think for this day, I did do a soft blow dry. So I will be rinsing all of the conditioner out so that I can go and put the heat protectant on to my hair and move to my next phase. As I'm finishing up my final sections, I am still putting the hair into strand twists at this time because I do want easy unravel after I get done with rinsing out all of the conditioner. And you guys may want to do that too to make it easier for you to set your hair after this phase, regardless if you're going to blow dry it or if you're going to do something natural with it. I thank you guys for joining me today.